Hi there, I'm Amanda Mushrow, and I'm a writer for AutoInsurance.com. Wouldn't it be great if there was a place you could go to compare two auto insurance companies to figure out which one is the best fit for you? Well, you're in luck. We have a whole series of videos doing just that. And this one is comparing GEICO and Progressive. GEICO and Progressive are among the top 3 largest insurance providers in the United States, and both companies underwrite millions of policies each year. We'll compare policy costs, key features, and pros and cons to help you determine which insurer best meets your needs. You can check out our full comparison at autoinsurance.com. How do their prices compare? Both companies offer lower than average rates for full coverage, but GEICO has lower prices for almost every driving category, like minimum coverage drivers with a speeding ticket and drivers with low credit. But Progressive does offer lower coverage for drivers with a DUI. Remember, policy prices depend on many factors, so it's best to get a quote from each company to see your rate. When it comes to coverage, both GEICO and Progressive offer the standard coverage options, but they vary in the add-on coverages. Progressive offers gap insurance, but GEICO does not. So if you finance or lease your vehicle with GEICO, you'd need to find separate gap policy. Also, Progressive offers rideshare coverage and GEICO does not. So if you work for a company like Uber, Lyft, GEICO probably isn't a good fit for you. Progressive may offer lower home and auto bundle rates since it underwrites its own home insurance, while GEICO relies on affiliates, which could cost you more money. Let's look at discounts. GEICO and Progressive offer many common discounts like multi-vehicles and good student discounts for teens. Progressive offers discounts that tech-savvy drivers will appreciate, like going paperless, automatic payments, and online quotes. But GEICO offers special discounts for military members and federal government workers. If you fall into either of those categories, you may save more with GEICO. To find out which discounts you qualify for, be sure to talk to an agent. Both GEICO and Progressive offer telematics programs that track your driving behaviors and provide a discount for safe driving. GEICO's DriveEasy uses the GEICO mobile app, while Progressive Snapshot works with a plug-in device or the Progressive mobile app. With DriveEasy, you can get up to 15% off your premium if you drive safely, but the discounts depend on your state, and DriveEasy is only available in 37 states and Washington, D.C. Check with an agent to see if you qualify for the discounts. Progressive doesn't advertise a percentage discount for Snapshot, but according to its website, safe drivers save an average of $94 at sign-up and an average of $231 at policy renewal. Snapshot is not available in California, and the sign-up discount is not available in Hawaii or New York. With both DriveEasy and Snapshot, your premiums could go up if your driving habits are considered risky while data is being collected. So this is something to consider before signing up for either telematics program. Now, let's look at customer service and see where each company ranks. Based on industry reports and studies, GEICO has a better overall customer service reputation than Progressive, but it depends on the region. In J.D. Power's 2024 U.S. Auto Insurance Study, both Progressive and GEICO scored average or below in most regions, but GEICO ranked higher in most areas, while Progressive led only in California and the Central and North Central regions. The NAIC tracks customer complaints against insurers, and both GEICO and Progressive receive more complaints than average. As of 2023, GEICO had a slightly lower complaint index with 1.83 and Progressive at 2.13. A score of 1 represents the expected number of complaints for a company. In J.D. Power's 2024 U.S. Auto Claims Satisfaction Study, which looks at how well an insurance company meets its customers' expectations when they need to file a claim, GEICO and Progressive both scored below average, but GEICO still came out ahead at 16th and Progressive in 20th place. The 2025 Crash Network Report Card, which looks at auto repair shops' experiences with both companies, along with the other 10 major insurers, received relatively low grades, with Progressive ranking slightly higher than GEICO. Finally, in J.D. Power's 2024 U.S. Insurance Digital Experience Study, Progressive ranked first in service, while GEICO placed 11th, below average. However, both companies scored equally in the shopping category. With all of this information, who is GEICO a better option for? Drivers looking for cheap auto insurance, members of the military, and federal government workers. Who is Progressive a better option for? Drivers who need gap or rideshare coverage, homeowners, or drivers with a DUI on their record. Bottom line, both GEICO and Progressive are solid choices for auto insurance policies, and both offer cheaper than average rates. GEICO tends to have the cheapest rates for most drivers and offers great discounts for military and federal workers, but if you need gap coverage or rideshare coverage, Progressive is the way to go. That's a wrap on these two companies, but we have so many videos in this series, so be sure to check them out and head over to autoinsurance.com for the inside scoop on all things car insurance. See you in the next video.